Hello, I am Nahida and welcome to Innovent Foods. Craving a crispy, cheesy, and flavorful snack? Try this homemade chicken croquette. Stay till the end to discover some fun cooking tips and health benefits. Heat 1 tablespoon oil in a pan, add 2 tablespoons chopped onion, 1 green chili, one teaspoon ginger garlic paste. Saute for 1 minute until fragrant. Now add half cup boiled shredded chicken, half teaspoon chili flakes, half teaspoon pepper powder, half teaspoon salt. Cook for 2 minutes and keep aside. Using boiled shredded chicken keeps the croquette extra juicy inside. Now add 2 tablespoons capsicum. In the same pan, add 1 tablespoon oil and 2 tablespoons flour. Roast for 1 minute on low flame. Slowly pour half cup milk while stirring continuously. Cook until it thickens and separates from the pan. Let it cool for 5 minutes. Mash 2 boiled potatoes and add 1 tablespoon chopped coriander leaves. Mix well. Now add the cooled chicken mixture and mix everything together until well combined. What's your favorite croquette filling? Cheese or chicken? Comment below. Grease your hands with a little oil and shape the mixture into small croquette or cylinders. For extra cheesiness, you can also stuff mozzarella inside. Now let's give the croquette a crispy coating. In a bowl, mix 1/4 cup of flour and half cup of water to make a smooth flour slurry. Dip each croquette into the slurry and coat it well with breadcrumbs. For extra crispiness, coat them twice in breadcrumbs. Did you know croquettes are popular worldwide with different variations? Japan has korokke, Spain has croquetas, and India has aloo croquettes. You can store it for 1 to 2 months in freezer. Heat oil on medium flame and gently drop in the croquette. Fry until they turn golden brown and crispy. Just look at that golden crunch. Love this recipe? Try it at home and let me know in the comments how it turned out. Like and share and subscribe to Innovent Foods for more delicious and easy snacks recipes. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.